This is Manoj here. Today I will be performing predictive analysis about GMR Global Limited, Infrastructure Limited, which is basically GMR Limited is a leading global infrastructure company with strong presence in airport energy, transportation and urban infrastructure. So we have this data set of GMR organization. So basically we have income and designation and also gender as the demographics. We have the performance index, we have 13 different professional attributes that is resulting for the performance index. First let us perform summary of demographic. So here summary of our demographic. As the first, let us have the summary of age. So we have click insert, then we have to click on pivot chart and pivot table. So we have to get it into the new worksheet. Now we'll want, so age factor should be in X and X-axis, and similar values as well we want in values as X. So we'll get in the row labels. We'll get the demographic divided into less than 30, greater than 50, 30 to 40, 50, and the count of is we have a summary of each demographic. So this is a summary of age demographic. Similarly, we got income for we have less than 1 lakh, greater than 5 lakh, 1 lakh to 3 lakh, 3 lakh 1 to 5 lakh. Next, coming with designation, we have designation summary. So we have accountable branch, HR manager, mechanic plant, PRO, SC, shift in charge, store keeper, trainer, manager. These are the sum of members. And there the next we have gender. So the gender is male and female. So together we can have the consolidated list. So this is how we obtained consolidated list by performing same function. As it is, first going to insert and click on the PO chart and table. Your serial number, gender, demographic, all axes will be similar values, and values common, and you can have the sum, count, maximum, minimum just by changing the sum. Why do you want summarize the value preference? You can change it. The second one, we have identify a significant. So we will be performing predictive analysis. Here we first will be talking about okay, this is predictive analysis. Here we have click on the data. We have data analysis. So once you click on the data analysis, you regression we have. So I'll click on the regression. You have to click on OK. Then you have to provide y-axis your performance index. The x-axis will be 13 different professional attributes. You have to click on labels, then the new output given in the new worksheet. Then you have to click on once. So you will click at this summary sheet. So here we have the regression value, the reducible value, and the total, as well as here we have coefficient and standard error value. Lower than 95 ages, upper than 95% of ages, lower than 95% ages, upper than 95% ages. Summary of all the 13 professional attributes. So This is the way we can identify significant determinant of performance index. Okay, next third one will be seeing what is stochastic error of a model. So first let us understand what is stochastic error in the regression model. As the stochastic error is a representative portion of variance in the performance index, cannot be explained by independent variables, nothing but 13 different professional attributes. So here R2 is 0.631. The model explains approximately 63.1% of variation in the performance index, which means 36 so 36 percentage of due to explained factors, nothing but stochastic error. So significant variables can be a punctuality, skills, creativity, leadership, and other factors. These variables are strongly influence the performance. These non-significant variables like experience, innovation, work ethic, communication, management teams, spirit, they all have higher values, indicating their influence on their performance, not satisfactorily. So you interpret the stochastic basically capture random factors such as personal motivation, external environment, random noise impacts employees performance, but are included indicators in the model as these 13 professionals attributes. So in this stochastic error, this model accounts for unpredictable random index, 13 indicators. So despite large portion of variability, external influence, this model cannot be captured. So this basically about stochastic model. And next we have determining the performance index when each indicator presents a value of 7 points. So okay, first we need to we make a separate table for all content, like all the coefficients of 13 different attributes. Then we have to represent the help of bar chart. So once again represent this with the help of bar chart. You obtain at the performance of it is so, and that the ability to negative signature the predicted performance index as positive. Growth, now to determine if each indicator represent the 7 points, so we can have determined multiply coefficient with 7. So this will help visualize how indicator contributes to final performance of index. Thank you, Manoj. Bye bye.